Purchasing power of money. This is very simple topic. Let's see. When we talk about what you can buy from a certain amount of money. When we talk about what you can buy from certain amount of money, that means we are talking about purchasing power of money. Let's understand it better with a simple example. Let's say you have 500 rupees. Okay. So, what is the power of this 500 rupees? And it resides in what you can do from this 500 rupees. That decides its power. Suppose you cannot do anything from it, you cannot buy anything from this 500 rupees. That means this 500 has no power. But this is not the real life scenario. It's different. In real life, we can buy several things from it. Let's say we are having here 2 liter petrol, and that costed us around 200 rupees. Again, now we are left with 300 rupees. So from that 300 rupees, we order food, and that costed us 300. So we spent the entire amount, entire 500. So this is the power of this 500 rupees. This transaction is possible, buying petrol and buying food. It was possible only because we have this money. When you don't have this particular amount of money, it was not possible to have petrol or food. You can use it for another transaction also. It depends on you. But to understand it better, let's take another example. Okay, so purchasing power of money. Uh, let's say this is year 2025. Yeah, this is 2025, and we have 100 rupees in 2025, and from this 100 rupees we can have 1 liter petrol. This is real scene. In India, we can have 1 liter of petrol from 100 rupees. Now, see the other case, 2015, or let's say another year, we can have also 2019. Okay, amount is same, 100. From this 100 amount, we can have, say in 2019, we can have 2 liter petrol, and in 2015, from this 100 rupees, we can have 3 liter of petrol. So what we are saying here, amount is same, 100, but in 2025 we are having lesser quantity, 1 liter. In 2015 it was higher quantity, 3 liter. In 2019 it was 2 liter. So over the time we see 2015 to 2019, the quantity we are buying is decreasing. That is, the power of this 100 rupees is decreasing because we are having lesser quantity of the commodity as the year passes. So over the time, the purchasing power of money, what happened to purchasing power of money? Here, over the period of time, the purchasing power of money decreases because now money has lesser power. The same 100 rupees has lesser power. It buys lesser quantity of goods of same. We are taking the same commodity. To understand it better, also you can also take another commodity, and you can see the power of that particular amount of money that it can buy. Okay, let's say let's take another example, nail paint. Let's say, okay, uh, year, let's say 2015. In 2015 we can have 400 rupees. Okay, we are taking common uh, amount, 100 rupees. For 100 rupees in 2015 we can have one nail paint. Okay, this is an example. We are supposing it in 2019, from the same 100 rupees we can have two nail paint, and in 2025 from the same 100 rupees, we can have 4 nail paint. We are reversing the situation. What happens when the purchasing power of money increases? Okay, so what is happening here? From the same 100 rupees, this 100 rupees in 2015 giving us one nail paint. Okay, but in 2019 it giving us two nail paint. That is, the quantity is increasing. In 2025, this 100 rupees giving us four nail paint. So over the period of time, the power of this 100 rupees, what happened to it? It increases. So here, purchasing power of money, we are seeing it increases over the period of time. So by the way, this is a rare scenario. You usually see that purchasing power of money decreases. It is rare to see that it increases, but it also happens. This is not impossible. So this is very interesting topic, and you can see this topic when you talk about inflation, because both this topic, purchasing power of money and inflation, are interconnected. We will discuss about it. Thanks.